Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use iKey door lock. Let me show you how to turn it on or off, and let me explain how it works. So at the very beginning, let's take a look on the screen behind your steering wheel. This is the screen in front of you. Here you can navigate by using the buttons on your steering wheel. Let's choose here the settings. So let's highlight the last option and press OK button to enter the settings. OK button is under the scrolling wheel. You just need to press this scrolling wheel. Alright, so under settings, you can scroll down until you see the vehicle settings. Let's press the vehicle settings. Then here, let's scroll down to highlight the locking. So now let's press the OK button again to enter the locking. And as you can see, here you can use a few things. One of them is iKey door lock. So right now we've got this feature enabled, but we can also disable it. And I prefer to have this, of course, enabled, because what it does, this enables the small request switch, this little button on your outside door handles. And when this is on, you can lock or unlock the car just by pressing that button on the handle, as long as the key is nearby in your pocket or bag. So you don't need to use your key fob, you just need to press this little button and it will lock your door. So I will keep it that way. And I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider to leave a like. Bye.